Oil reversed from close to $80 levels, precisely from 79.7, 79.8 zone, and has seen a good support at 77.5 levels. I had told you in the analysis also that these levels are going to be a very good support. Likewise, NG has breached below 4.8 levels and in fact has gone below 4.5 zone. Now with the sell entry at 4.8, I hope you all have profited yesterday. Now what to expect today? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the daily analysis. Let's start. First we look into crude oil WTI followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Trade as per the. Now this is the hourly charts for US crude WTI, and if you look at the charts here, certainly 81 first resistance. Since then it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. If you look at the highs, if you look at the lows, you will find now 79.2 levels is the only buying entry, because beyond this was also yesterday's level. Yesterday also I asked you to remain long here and then expect 79.5, 79.8 levels to provide a little resistance. But today if it breaks past 79.2, you can expect a little more rise, taking it till towards 79.8 and $80 levels. Beyond 80 there could be further strength which it might show and take it till towards 81. This is one probability. At the same time, as it is trading in this downward trending channel, you can expect that achieving this zone at 79, 79.2, it can reverse any point of time. However, I will recommend you to sell at 78.4. See, 78.4, 78, 77.5 and 77 levels. Every half a dollar there is a support here, and hence you can keep booking at every half a dollar if you are taking a sell entry here. And then probably once if it breaks below this zone at 77, more bearishness can be expected. Then directly it might try to land at 76, and then below levels are also possible. Hence take your trades accordingly. But let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD has taken a bullish cross. It is trading with little divergence, but see, after so much of movement it is trying to trade bullish. Look at the slope here. See, the slope is hardly, it is not so bearish that what we had seen, not so bullish that what we had seen in the bearish move. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, now look at the 2-hour chart. See, when it was bullish, this was the deviation here between the 20 and 50 period moving average. Now we can see there is a crossover here where again the 50 period moving average had reversed and it is looking down. And see this, yes, this zone at 79.2, 79.5 is going to be a very good resistance. So yes, this should be a good buying entry, but then expect 79.8 and $80 levels. Very good resistance there. Beyond 80, yes, 81, 82, 82.5 levels should be seen. Directional movement here on the 2-hour charts is also bearish. Stochastic is flat. MACD trying to converge. It is trading on the sell side right now. RSI flat here. And on the 3-hour charts, interestingly on the 3-hour charts, lower highs are seen. Support there at 78.4. Now it is trying to reverse. Possibly 78.8, 79.2. This should be a good entry level. Beyond that, more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD bearish trying to converge. RSI is also trying to look upwards, as we can see a little green candle here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, the previous candle had a sharp tail and a very long tail there. Now this is trying to break out and trade bullish. Possibility exists that it can try to come back till here 79.2 levels, and from there possibility exists that we may see 79.5, 80 levels as the next target, and beyond that more bullishness can be seen. So this should be a good entry there. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is flat, MACD is bearish still on the 4-hour chart. This is trading with divergence. However, it appears it has seen the peak. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts here. See, you can connect the dots here. Higher lows are seen. At the same time, see, if you look at this time it failed to breach past the highs here at 82 and reverse from 81 itself. 82 certainly is a very good resistance zone. Now see the previous two candles increasing body size, and when this candle appears or opens below, possibly we can expect a further drop, might take it till towards 77 76 levels. Directional movement here is crossing over for a bearish move on the daily charts. The stochastic was overbought looking downwards here. The MACD is in green trying to converge, and the RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, you can sell at 78.4 and buy at 79.2 levels. Beyond 79.2 till 80 levels, you have to be very cautious and alert, because only above 80 it is bullish. However, to tap the moves, to tap the rise, you can buy, but then you have to trade with a strict stop loss at your entry price, such that you can preserve your capital. Re-entering, keep re-entering if you see it trading bullish from there, and also keep closing as the first resistance at 79.5, then 79.8 and 80 levels should come into picture. So keep closing at these profits and re-enter if you see it in trading in the same direction, or also you can initiate a sell entry if it is reversing from there, but that should be with very caution. On the downside, sell at 78.4, the first support at 78, then at 78 7.5, then at 77, and then 76 levels, which is going to be a very good support. Hence take your trades accordingly and trade with a trailing stop loss always. Now let's have a look at NG or natural gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art, do not miss to be a part of the next mentorship batch starting 9th of January. Be a part of it. The tools and strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Begin your new year with the learnings, with the investment in your learning. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at NG here on the hourly charts. Now see, NG interestingly getting support now at 4.7 levels. But at the same time, look at this. This is the way it is trying to, and only confirmation of a buy entry is above 4.8 levels. Yes, if it you see it trading above 4.8, you can buy, and then expect it to rise a little, then 4.9, 4.95 and $5 levels the next target. So yes, it has to trade and sustain above 4.8 in order to trade bullish. At the same time, on the downside, 4.7 levels are certainly very good support. Directional movement bearish, stochastic dropping from the overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over on the buy side here, and this crossover is again happening at the bottom, and possibly this may try to trade it, take it further highs. RSI trying to look upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour, same is the story on the 2-hour charts. However, on the longer time frame, you can see this. On the upside, $5 levels is definitely a very good resistance. Directional movement here is bearish too. Stochastic is overbought and now looking downwards. The MACD is trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI is trying to look upwards, show some strength. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now let me show you on the 3-hour charts something. See, it has shown a reversal here. This is a reversal indication after the end of this downtrend, and then this retracement, there is a little resistance also we have seen. Now if it trades above 4.8 and then the next candle closes and opens above 4.8, you can certainly expect, we are looking forward to 4.95 $5 levels, which is going to be a very good resistance. So yes, a good entry above 4.8 is a what you can take. You can buy at 4.8 levels. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is at highs. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for the bullish move. RSI trading near to the bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation. 4.95 $5 levels are going to be a very good resistance. It is trading bearish, you can clearly see, and the stochastic is rising from the bottom. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for the buys, and the RSI trying to rise back, bounce back from the bottom levels. Now look at the daily charts. Now see this on the daily charts, reversal, 3 red candles. Now body size does matters here. You can see diminishing body size for this candle, and also it was trading at the outside the Bollinger Bands, got a pullback here. Now possibly once it trades beyond $5 level, then you can confirm the reversal here. Also Yes, there is a support or resistance at 4.8, then 4.9, and then you can expect 4.95 $5 levels, and hence yes, you can initiate a buy entry only and only if you see it trading above 4.8. At the same time, on the downside, 4.6 is a very good support. Below that, directly it may try to land at 4.4 and below levels. The directional movement on the daily charts is extremely divergent and bullish. Probability for it to converge exists. RSI, stochastic trading oversold, trying to trade with a slight, or it is trying to come out of the oversold zone. MACD is divergent and bearish, and it has almost achieved the bottom here. What we had seen, probability for it to, it can give another red candle, couple of red candles, and then possible bounce back from New Year onwards is there. RSI is trading at bottom again. Considering this, see, first thing is only buy entry is above 4.8, very clear. Beyond that, you can expect 4.9, 4.95, $5 levels. $5 levels is the next resistance level. And beyond 5, it is going to fly high. That is one part to it. On the downside, you can sell at 4.65 levels. See, you can initiate at 4.68 also, but 4.65 to be a safer entry. US, you can initiate at 4.68, expect 4.65, 4.6 as the next support, then 4.5. 4.5 is a very, very good support, because below that we may see further drop, taking it below 4.4 levels. So initiate your sell entries accordingly. Sell at 4.68 and buy at 4.8. In between these $1.2, do not take any positions for NG. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch starting 9th of January. Start this new year with the bang and the learnings, and then trade bang on with the profitable trades. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.